private house in Ramat Hasharon by Lilian Benshoam Ramat Hasharon, Israel. Lilian Benshoam Architect designed this villa inspired by rationalist architecture and Bauhaus style that are the main feature of Tel Aviv buildings. Even if the house externally looks like a box with simple and regular lines, inside the situation is simply the opposite. The main shape used is the circle. In fact, we could find it in the spiral staircase, in U-light suspended lamps, and in the circular skylights. From these windows on the roof, a wonderful light filters in the house and the whole structure seems unburdened. Also, our U-light lamps, composed by two aluminium components, contribute to the lightness idea.